In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Google Calendar to Notion Calendar. To get started, open the Notion Calendar desktop app on your computer. If you don't have the desktop app installed, that's completely fine. You can also access Notion Calendar through your web browser and follow the same general process there. Once you are in the app or on the website, make sure you are on the main calendar interface so you can easily find the menu and settings options. Next, open Settings from the main menu. This is where Notion Calendar lets you manage preferences, connected services, and account related options. If you are new to the platform, take your time here and look through the sidebar carefully, because the setting you need is usually organized under Account or Calendar Management sections. In the Settings area, look for the Calendar Accounts tab in the sidebar. This section is specifically designed for adding and managing the calendars you want to view and sync inside Notion Calendar. Once you've found it, click on Add Calendar Account to begin connecting a new calendar service. From the list of available options, choose Connect Google Calendar. This tells Notion Calendar that you want to link your Google account so your calendar events can appear directly inside the app. If you use multiple Google Calendars, make sure you are selecting the account you actually want to work with before moving forward. You'll then be asked to sign in to your preferred Google account. Follow the sign-in prompts and authorize all requested permissions. These permissions are important because they allow bidirectional synchronization, which means changes made in Google Calendar can reflect in Notion Calendar, and changes made in Notion Calendar can sync back as well. When reviewing the permissions screen, read through it carefully so you understand what access is being granted. After the authorization is complete, your events should automatically populate in the calendar view, depending on the size of your calendar and your internet connection. This may happen immediately or take a brief moment. Once everything appears, you can start viewing and managing your schedule inside Notion Calendar with your Google Events fully connected. If your events don't show up right away, give the app a moment to refresh and confirm that you connected the correct Google account. In most cases, the sync is quick and seamless. Thanks for watching.